dumplings, giant gyoza, dipping sauce. Verdict?
These are awesome.
I haven't tried this. I'm pretty excited. Okay, we also have. Ooh. Oh wow!
Oh wow!
Oh my god!
Right?
This is the best stingy chicken ever.
Oh my god!
Do we have a new favourite restaurant?
Do yourself a favour. When you come to Sapporo, you've got to go to this place called Zenny Chicken.
And dumplings. Yeah, that's the name. Totally worth it, right?
Oh my god. One more? Yeah. Okay. Oh, you know, when in Rome. So this is the Sapporo beer house, not the one we went to, which is all you can drink, which is the big brew house. This is what they call a satellite one. And I'm doing this for Benny. I was just talking to him I don't know how long ago. And I didn't realize it was this close. And there's another restaurant to the right of it where you can go to, but see if they let me in, because it says it's open. We'll do this right now. Yeah, it looks like it's open. Go in. Oh wow. And they're making their own Gyoza or ramen. Oh, they're making their own ramen. This is awesome. So here we are. It's the one. Go over there. Have a look. This is for you, babe. I'm doing all this for you. See? Yeah. I just want a drink. Beer? Oh yeah, okay. Arigatou. So Amber, we're here.
We are here.
At the Sapporo Brew House.
Yes.
The dumplings were sensational.
They were, as you can tell.
We've got 10 minutes before the taxi comes, so we can go to a craft beer house.
That was our favourite waiter. He was awesome.
He was the favourite waiter. He's a machine. The chef's really cool. He just comes out, just helps us out heaps. Have a get this, go take photos of everything. So I don't have my beer. I'll spill your drink.
I'll spill my drink. Yeah. Kitchen. These are the little appetizers. This is where they roll the dough. How cool. They are making and rolling. So cool. Chef's hard at work. It's amazing. Is that dough okay? Arigato. As you can see, look how huge the dumplings are. The fried chicken. So this is like a place that's just made for me and Timmy. Our two favourite foods. Oh, a corn. Not quite as interesting. But seriously, awesome place. If you are in Sapporo, you've got to visit this one or the one down the arcade that we showed you earlier. Cool Beer Craft. And we're going in.
Okay.
Okay. Well, at least they pointed it out to us as soon as we came in, which is good. Tim's been told where to sit. You might be wondering why Tim is making this face. I just asked him the question, who's Harry Callahan?
I can't even start to tell you how upsetting that is for me at a cellular level. Clint Eastwood. Dirty Harry.
Okay.
The beer they have is called the Harry Callahan Magnum Lager.
Well, you have to. It's a good job that we're at
I need
happy
this to end now. You've upset me beyond belief. Every millennial asshole needs to go and see Dirty Harry. The end. I don't care who you are, what you've done in your life. I don't give a rat's how old you are. But it begins and ends with one man. Alright? Clint Eastwood. Spaghetti westerns, 100%. But once he moved into contemporary, hardcore detective dramas, is the king. Everyone else is pales before him. Alright? So the end. I don't want to have this conversation ever again. I don't want to hear from anyone. I don't want anyone's opinion on it. It's ridiculous and redundant. The end.
So, is Harry Callahan his best character, or would you say that character he played in Kelly's Heroes?
Greatest movie ever made. But again, one man. Look at that. That beastie.
レモンサワーです。
I got to.
これお通し。
Ooh,
Hi.
edamame.
枝豆。
Hey, you got to. Kelly's Heroes was the greatest movie ever made. It was the greatest ensemble cast ever put together. And Don Rickles led that cast with
Telly Savalas.
and
Sutherland?
Donald Sutherland. That's right. Very good. The fact that I've made you watch it 100 times is relevant, right?
Not to mention several times when we were around nut.
Oh, so many times. You can never get enough of that movie. Greatest movie ever made.
Would you like to tell us about your beer?
No, I do not. I'm not sharing anything anymore.
Because it's not the Harry Callahan beer?
That's right.
Is it the Yobanashi Black? Or is it the...
I asked for a stout or a dark ale. And all I had to do was read this. It would have made life so much easier. But I jumped through hoops. And he smiled at me and he goes, I got this. No, I'll take it. Yeah. That's the thing about these guys who do craft. It's thin. It doesn't have a backbone, it doesn't have a body, it doesn't have centre, there's no bitterness to it, there's no hoppiness to it. It's just, you don't need to go to a craft house in Japan. You just got to buy the big boys beer and they make some amazing beer. They make amazing beer. All their beers, all the big boys. The trifecta, Kirin, Sapporo, and Asahi. Boom. But you give them a go, because you think these guys know what they're doing. They actually do not. No. I'm drinking lolly water.
But it's
going to cost me $10 for a lolly water because they use the word craft. What a waste of time.
It's like being in Melbourne.
It's like being in Melbourne with ass clowns. So many idiots. Everyone knows what they're talking about.
All right.
So I've got my Crest of the Clown here. I've gone to the toilet. It doesn't have signs. It just has red and blue. I went the blue one, even though it sounds sexist, because the red one I would have assumed would be a girl. But I mean, I don't know. How does it work? How does it work here? How does political correctness work in this environment? And I hate using the word woke. It just sounds like so stupid and redundant. I mean, I don't know. I pissed in the blue. I pissed in the blue, basically.
Matched your shirt.
Right, electric blue. That's me. Harry
So what do
Callahan. I'm doing the Harry Callahan lager.
Magnum.
Oh, that's interesting. An intense bitterness right through the middle of the tongue, but it finishes off really bitter. Floral as well. So the countenance of that bitterness is the floralness of the lager, and it's a little bit cloudy, but I'm going to say it's melted heavily. Great nose, great floral nose. It's got a hop about it that's quite it's quite aggressive. So kids who made this pretty much had some fun with it. I don't know who did it. It doesn't say.
No, I think it's a collaboration. If you look at it, Cool Beer Craft times Obi Hero Hero Beer.
Well, that's the beer company then. So the beer company is Obihiro. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Can you just expand it so that people can...
Yeah, it's...
Yeah, there we go. Get my fingers out of the way. Obihiro. So that's the beer company, Obihiro. All right. They had some fun with that. That's really aggressive. It's really, look, right or wrong, it doesn't matter. They had some fun with it and they made they structured a beer. It's quite unique. It's quite nice. Arigato. But it's really bitter, like really intensely bitter. Like it's a number one, right through the middle of the tongue, right through the sides. Just goes all the way down that way.
Ooh, yum.
So
I got a lychee sour.
You got a lychee sour. So it's one of those ones. I don't think it's sessionable. I don't think you can do a shitload of them. But oh my god, get a couple of those in you. That'll open up your appetite. There's an yuzu saison, which is a wheat beer from Kanagawa, a Shannon beer, Honan beer. So the Shannon might be the beer company, but the yuzu being the lemon zesty.
Citrus fruit, yeah.
Citrus fruit, yeah. So that might be interesting. I might give that a go. Anyway, there you go.
Did it make... Sorry, I've got to ask. Did the beer make your day?
Made my day. All right, Benny, this is for you. Here we go. This is a really cool pub that we found the first day in Sapporo about a week ago. I thought I'd come back because, well, get a shot of old granddad bourbon for like $5. I know it's wrong, isn't it? I'll go in. We're walking in. Benny. Arigato. Alright. I don't want to sit there. Can we sit at the bar? Hey, can we sit at the bar? Yeah? Is that alright? Alright, we're going to sit at the bar. These are the guys. That's the waitress. We're all having a grand old time.